Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 2nd, 2025. And these are the first puzzles in 2025, and I've already solved the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 3 stars. By the way, in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with this one, the Jigsaw Sudoku number 9829. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I don't think it's a 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. I think it's rather a 0 stars or 1 star. 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 13 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. Question is this 0 stars, a 1 star, or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see only one duo box. 1 and the 2, well, I do not know which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers in sufficient information right now, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 5 in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box will be a 4 then. Alright, then, let's see. Let me see. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle quadra boxes? I see only one quadra box here. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a 1 and a 2 there, so it should be a 3 and a 4. And this box can be 2, so the 2 could be... Oh, and that box can be a 2. So the only place left a 2 in this quadra box should be there then. So the 1 could be here or there. The 3 and the 4. Okay, the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, then. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the T shape. Here another T shape, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 4 here. We have only 2 T shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Okay. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. We have not a lot of room here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have one shape left. There's this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 of them. I believe the Z or the S construction is missing here. Alright. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Oh, I forgot to place here the 1 here because it has the same number. Okay, then let me see. These two boxes can be on 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2. Well, well, let me see. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround a 3, can be a 3. So 1 box left on the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. I've marked this box with 3 or a 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left on the 3 in this quarter box supposed to be here and is connected with that box. So 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 is supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround a 5, can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. And let me see. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. Then these 2 boxes surround a 3, can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. Well, then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Two numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box, so 2 and 3. But we already have a 2 in the same area, so it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, so 3. One box left now in this area for number 2. This box, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 numbers left now in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. Then let me see. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 in this area is supposed to be here or there. Come on. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then I need a 3 and I need a 5 here. Well. I need to think. Need a 3, need a 5. What's happening? 1, 2, 3 or 5. Come on. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 here. Ay. What's happening? I need a 3 here. 2, 5. Well, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are 2, 3 is missing, 4 and 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. Well, here can be 2, so it should be the 3 and the 5. How about this box? Can be 1, can be 2, could be a 3, can be 4, 3 or 5. Yeah, 3 or 5, okay. We have a 3, 5 here. This box, I think, should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3 or 5. We have a 3, double 3 there, double 5 there. And cannot be a 4 here. So yeah, definitely a 2 here. Okay, now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 5. Okay, 3 and a 5. We have a pair here. Yeah. 3 and a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3 or 5. We have a double 3 there, double 5 there. Yeah, it should be a 4. So these 2 numbers should be the 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Well, complicated at the end. 1 star. Yes, we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles in additional. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.